Hi, I'm Dr. Archione Britton of West LA Medical. Listen, what we've done is made the best combination you can possibly find of interdisciplinary care. All right, this place is not a spa. We're not here for your massage. We're not here for your 1 out of 1 pain. We're here for those of you in wheelchairs, 10 out of 10 pain. Told you have to get surgery. You've got an MRI. You've seen the damage. You're just like, what can I do? Before you know it, they're saying, get injections here, go to PT there, acupuncture's here, and a chiropractor. And before you know it, you're jumping all over town, going to all these different clinics. What if you could do it in one? So that way, when someone says we can get the job done, it gets done in one place. So they don't point different directions. I brought you research. PEMF, pulse electromagnetic frequency. What does it do? Tissue engineering of the joints. It helps you regenerate your joints. It changes the way that your body works, helps get these old mechanoreceptors so they work better, and make it so that way you can have your arthritis not be the thing that takes up your day, and in fact enjoy your loved ones. And I mean, there's so much research. It's just that here in the United States, you're not getting it. Insurance doesn't cover it, so you don't know anything about it, and your MD sure as heck usually knows nothing about it. Why do your chiropractors and some of your PTs use it? Because we're trying to be a little more holistic, but technology's got to the point that your body can be regenerated without you going through drugs and therapy over and over and over again. So when I say bring it out, electromagnetic pulse therapy mitigates intracranial pressure and induces microvascular shunting. Well, what are we talking about? Helping regrow your blood vessels, end plates, things that are making your ligaments and tendons not be able to heal because they're not getting enough oxygen or blood or water. That's what we can help fix, so that way your body can fix itself. The power that made the body heals the body. That's West LA Medical. Get in here soon.